Forward to concept number C, concept number 9. And the smallest n-digit number which when divided by x, y and z leaves remainder k, then our required number equal to smallest n-digit number equal minus r plus l plus k, where r is the remainder obtained when n-digit smallest number is divided by LCM of x, y and z, and L is the LCM of x, y and z. For example, find the least possible 5-digit number which when divided by 10, 12, 16 and 18 leaves remainder 27. Taking LCM of 10, 12, 16 and 18, we get it is 720, which is L, and we are given k, that is 27. Dividing the least 5-digit number by 720, we get a remainder as 640. Putting all these values in the above formula, we get that smallest n-digit number which is equal to 10,000 minus r means remainder we get here it is 640, here it is 640, and next is our L is LCM which is 720, and here it is 720, and we have to add 5k at last, which is given the remainder is 27, k is 27. On calculating this, we get 10107, which is our right answer. Thank you.